Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. We are still in Ghana, and today I'm taking you to my mother-in-law for her to make us a special meal. Come with me and let's go. Thank you. Guys, as I said earlier on, today I'm with my mother-in-law and she's going to make us a very delicious Eworkple delicacy from the Volta region. So today I'm taking you to the Volta land. Come with me as she prepare something for us to eat. Chentiana, we're afraid you're and quite by now. We're near the banquet and now Akple and Lamu Dechi. Akple. Hey guys. Before we feel not so I'm patcho no be na dey aduane no nti I'm patcho and no be na wo dey aduane amaye no ingredient no enamumu na fish no sabala jene tomatoes yati enamoko Ami, and oil. I said, guys, and then she will also be using tomato paste. So,
Elamudechi, Ami, flowers, you are when you put flour. Time ko tomatoes here. Nyako akpere or blind reader fine. I will hand a coffee tree at them. Neduma na gbere de chama. Called Akple.
Chama Casas and now what she said in error was that she's supposed to use some flour to thicken the soup, but because she didn't have flour, that's why she's using the tomato paste to replace the flour. And then she also add a little bit of okra to make to the soup. So when you are eating, you can add it to your banku to make it easy for you to swallow. Guys, I have made it. Until I'm patcho, sister, then I best start to say, yeah. Okay.
Na me di egu.
All right. I tell you.
Samuno inyaya, ke somewhere egu.
Okay.
Yeah, some di na be ye.
Okay.
There the tomatoes egu.
Egu. Now let's add the tomatoes egu. All right. Good.
Yeah. Na me we fa anwa bebiri anwa kakra
all right. Guys, we are going to blend our ginger, garlic, and pepper and tomatoes. So our onion is okay. Should go ahead and add the blended vegetables, onion and garlic, guys.
And so
she's adding a little bit of water, guys. Guys, today we are Volta region in Sunyani. She'll add the tomato paste, guys. Yeah, she's adding the fish. Wow. Look at this deliciousness, guys. I can't wait. Just flavors never had no crown. Easy. And if Veta didn't see the man from a fish, Sana. And who's our from a fish pie? Oh, okay. So, there's a baby. Oh,
yeah, fresh.
Guys, I'm learning something new. So she's making a little lines on the okra so that it can absorb a lot of water and then cook it very good. It's time to add some salt. Salt is always to your taste. My master do a punchy baby and tino. Kakrabi no di begum. Kakrabi no di gum. And this particular fish is also from the sea. And when the fish is coming from the sea, so I don't know to so any bit that and tinchum, tear for the bring all. So guys, let's take some oranges. Yes, ready.
But where are you? Any you need it. You know. Right.
Guys, our soup looks so delicious. Look how it looks. It has really taken up. Look, guys, it looks so yummy and delicious. I cannot wait to dig in, guys. Whoa. And in Bachelor City, my friend is saying,
Elamu
dechi. Elamu dechi.
We work I.
Elamu dechi.
Dechi abi. Abi you that fine.
Not just young kwana be young kwana fine because it's a fine be abi ye fine. Hey, Momo is some manji. Angela can also speak a little bit at least. Our soup is ready, so we are going to dig in and say, guys, look at this deliciousness. Wow, the flavors here will amaze you guys. Just say, enya asem kitwa. Guys, we are going to enjoy this delicious meal with Eworkple. And I'm sure so now you're doing this. Thank you so much, guys, for coming with me. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Sunyani. Bye. Do the kiss.